These are my top 10 must-have wigs of all time. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. It's your girl Carrie M. If you are new to the channel and you feeling my vibe so far, or you love videos like this, make sure you subscribe and make sure that everyone has their notification bells turned on, so every time I drop a video, y'all be notified. Okay, so today's video is super exciting. I've been ready to do this video for a very long time. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through the top 10 most popular wigs that I've ever reviewed on my channel. Now, these wigs are not based on my choice. It is literally strictly based on you guys' choices. So basically, the most popular videos, it's the most viewed, the most commented on, the most liked. I must let y'all know before we jump into it that all of these wigs that I'm going to be showing is listed on my Amazon storefront under the My Wigs tab, but I will go ahead and link each wig individually if you just want to get to a particular wig, okay, in order of the rating. All right, y'all, so the first wig up and number 10 is Seraphine. And first of all, y'all, I haven't seen Seraphine in a long time, and I forgot about sis, but I don't know why, because she is beautiful. I remember when I did this Seraphine review, I actually did her and a lineup of 5 other wigs in that video from the Milk collection from Outre, and she was definitely a popular one. In the comment sections, I know everybody was really bugged out for Seraphine, and she is cute. She has a nice body wave layers. She really gives a look, she looks like a human hair unit, in my opinion. Like, she's giving human hair. You spent money on some bundles on a really dope wig. Like, she is beautiful. Seraphine is really one for the win. It's been a long time, but I think I'm about to go into my little purse and put her back in the cart because she's mad cute. So in number 9, we have Miss Miranda from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. Now, Miranda was also in the video with Seraphine. I think Miranda was one of my favorite ones. She is so dope. I'm a sucker for bobs. You see, I'm wearing one now. I love me a good bob. I love that she had that little swoop in the front, little layer. She was mad cute, definitely born for summer, and she had that nice, beautiful texture to her, like a little, I don't remember if it was like kinky or like a really nice Jackie, but she definitely had texture. I remember. But she is a beautiful wig, y'all. Miranda came in number 9 out of all these wigs. Come on now. Oh my goodness. Number 8 is actually one of my favorite units, and if I was putting some of my wigs in the top 10, I'm gonna have to do mine's next. I'm gonna have to rate them myself, my top 10 wigs that I've done of all times on here, so I can see if some of these wigs are gonna fall into this lineup as well. But Butter Unit 6, the Butter Unit 6 from Sensational, OMG. This one I absolutely loved. I adored her so much. The color that I got was such a beautiful color. I remember it was a hot summer day. I was feeling myself. I had the fan in front of me. The wind was blowing. So the intro in the video was having her looking like I was doing like a photo shoot or something. I remember this day, but I remember her. Butter Unit 6 is beautiful. I love the lace on the Butter Units. I love, love, love. Like, she is one. Y'all, if y'all have never tried Butter Unit 6, get her. If you did, you forgot about her, get her. I'm actually about to go and get me one of her because she is super cute, y'all. She is so cute. I don't know about y'all, but in the summer, I like to pull out the real cuties, y'all, because it's time to stunt. We ain't got no hats on, no earmuffs. We just got hair. So we got to look our best at all times when it comes to the top of the head. You know what I'm saying? But let's move on. Coming in number 7, y'all. Y'all must really love these Butter Units. And number 7 is the Butter Unit number 5. Now, the Butter Unit 5 is beautiful. I remember when I did this video, I did her in 3 colors, a blonde, a black, and a brown. Beautiful unit, y'all. Once again, when it came to the butter lace on it, the butter lace was butter lacing. Absolutely gorgeous, but the curls on this unit, I remember it. It was like so fluffy. It was giving such a full look, but it was very lightweight, which is really good for the summer if you want curls, but you don't want it to be hot and heavy. It was a very lightweight unit. I definitely remember So beautiful, y'all. The butter unit 5 was definitely a killer. So coming in number 6 is Outray's Doobie Pixie Mohawk. Now, all of the units that I've showed so far were all synthetic units. This one, if I'm not mistaken, it's a human hair unit or maybe a synthetic human hair blend, but it's the Pixie. It is so cute, y'all. I love this unit. I think this one is like super affordable, maybe like $20, maybe a little less, not more than $25, but it's a very affordable unit for one. For two, I loved this unit. I'm a sucker for short hair. I love short hair, hence why I'm always cut. If y'all been here a while, y'all know I cut my hair a lot down to a Caesar, okay? Love short hair. This wig right here, if you love short stuff, if you love a shorty, get her. She is really cute, and I'm surprised she ranked up here because I've done more than one short unit, but I think it's only 2 short units that came up in this lineup. She's one of them. Y'all gonna have to wait to see what the other one is, but this one is a killer. She's mad cute and she's mad simple to get together. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. So number 5 is actually one of my favorite units of all times. I've expressed this multiple times, okay? So it may not be a shock to some if you've been here for a minute. But coming in number 5 is the one and only Janet Collections Briar. Oh my goodness. Now, I don't have all of the information in front of me as far as the collection she was in. I'll link each video down below if you want to see a review on each of the wigs that I'm mentioning today. But if I'm not mistaken, I feel like she's part of the Natural Me Light collection. And I'm saying that because she just looks so natural, for one. And for two, the texture was it was like a nice blowout texture. A nice kinky blowout. This looks like a nice blowout texture, but Briar was more like a silk press blowout. It was just a beautiful unit. Loved her. I used to wear her all the time with makeup, without makeup. Like, she was definitely a go-to. If you need a nice, beautiful, natural looking unit, that just has a part, you don't have to worry about the 13x6 and doing all of that stuff. You don't have to melt it, no glue, none of that. Get your hands on Briar, y'all. I'm telling y'all, she is beautiful. She just has just enough style so it's not feeling like plain Jane. Just a beautiful unit altogether. I'm telling you, Briar is my girl. But let's move on to 4. Okay, so number 4 is definitely not a shocker because people on my channel versus in real life up outside of YouTube was telling me like, girl, what wig is that? Because I need it. So I already know, okay, because she was a favorite and she did not even end up in a wig sale. If I'm mistaken, she didn't end up in a wig sale. I wore this wig out, y'all. I wore her out till it was no more wigs in her again, and I need to buy another one of her. But number 4 is Sensational Ronay. Ronay is such a beautiful unit. It's crazy because I'm not usually a fan of a 13x2. She was like a 13 and then like 2 inches front and back, and you like, what you gonna do with that little bit of space? You don't need no more than that. You don't even need to part it deep. She's mad cute. She was so easy to get together, so cute to style. She was just beautiful, so beautiful. And I feel like I saw a few other fellow YouTubers review this unit as well, and it just looked good on almost anyone. Like, Ronay was beautiful. My mama loved her too. Like, oh my goodness, I got so many compliments on Ronay. She's a beautiful unit, and I think that if I was rating my own top 10, she would definitely be up there. And to be honest with y'all, I think I'm about to buy her again because she's mad cute. Oh my gosh, she was off the shoulder. If it's hot outside, you ain't gotta worry about the hip. Ronay's about to go in the cart right now, and I'm dead serious. I'm not even talking to talk. I'm about to put her in the cart right now. Okay, so coming in number 3 is another shorty. So I did tell you I had another shorty on here, and this is from It's a Wig Nuna, and she's a synthetic unit. If I'm not mistaken, I think Nuna actually comes in a human hair or a synthetic version, if I'm not mistaken. Now, Nuna was off the chain. Now, I'm looking at the picture like on my phone, y'all, because let me see if I can get a little remembrance of her. I loved her because she had like that nice old school like finger wave curl type of pattern. She was so beautiful, so timeless. Absolutely loved it. And I'm not sure if the one I had a couple of color streaks in it with like some purple or blue. I could be talking about another unit. I'm not sure all the way, but I don't think she was straight black. I think mine's had a couple of like purple or blue like streaks of color in it, which made it even more beautiful. But it don't even matter because Nuna was beautiful. I got so many compliments at work. Something about the short units. I think short hair just goes on. It just looks so good on me. I think I might have to cut. Nah, I ain't gonna cut my hair, y'all. I ain't gonna cut it because I got some goals. I ain't gonna cut it. But Nuna is definitely a killer. Oh my goodness. Coming in number 2. This one is actually special to me because this is the actual first ever wig review that I've ever done on my channel, and it was also a collaboration with Miss Deanna Monet TV, but it was literally the first wig that I reviewed on my channel, and it did so good. I'm like, y'all like this wig? I mean, I liked it, but y'all must have loved it too, because this is coming in number 2. Okay, coming in number 2, and this is the Outre lace front wig Stevie. Okay, first of all, I got her in this beautiful blonde color. She was so gorgeous. She had the face framing. It looked so good on my complexion. Definitely a brown girl friendly blonde. She had the nice loose kind of waves, like a loose body wave type texture. Just absolutely gorgeous, flawless, easy to put on. Similar to how I was saying Briar was, with just a lace part. You don't have to worry about the 13 by 6. My beginner girls don't like that because it feel like too much work. But even the girls who've been in the game, you just need something to plop on and go. She one of them. Outre Stevie was definitely a winner. A winner. Chicken dinner, chin for them. But yeah, love Stevie, y'all. And the good thing about Stevie too, if I'm not mistaken, she was very affordable. At the time I got her, she was like in the 20s. So I'm assuming she still got to be in the 20s. The price can't go up, okay? Because that would be crazy. But Outre Stevie is a beautiful unit. Beautiful. But I know y'all want to know what came in number one. That's why I keep looking down. I'm trying to see. Ooh, it's like a tunnel effect. That's creepy. Let me see if y'all could guess it, okay? I'm gonna see if y'all could guess it, okay? I'll give y'all some clues, give y'all to guess it, then I'm gonna tell y'all what it is. So the first clue is this collection has already been listed in this lineup more than one time. Okay, that's one. That probably gave it away right there. But if you don't get it, I'm gonna get another one. So clue number 2, the girls was loving it one summer. One summer, it was lit for this one, okay? That should be enough to tell you when to drop, okay? And clue number 3. It is wavy, juicy, and beautiful. Can you get it? I'm going to give you about 5 seconds. I want to give y'all time to, like, take a guess. Drop the comment. Let me know if y'all think y'all know what it is before I give it away. Let me know. All right, I gave y'all enough time. So coming in number 1, which is not a shocker, is Sensational Butter Lace Unit 3. That came in number 1, y'all. Do you hear what I'm telling you? Like, this video was the most popular wig review that I've ever done on this channel. It got the most comments, views, interaction, likes, all of that. And I can see why. This was such a beautiful unit. This unit gave, I got these expensive bundles when it ain't really that. It gave, I got so many inches when it is really that. And it just gave, I'm a summer hottie. Like, this unit right here is so beautiful. It was definitely a looker. It was definitely those ones that you get in stomp with. It was so cute. It's gonna give you nice, cute, casual look, a nice, cute dress up look, but it's definitely screaming summer. And actually, y'all, if I was doing my own top 10 lineup, this one would be in there. She would be in there. I think the only thing, I think there was like one con with it, and I don't even know if it was mentioned in the initial review, because sometimes you don't find out some stuff until you wear it a few times. But it was only one con in it, which is cool because this wig was long. Was it like 30 inches? It had inches on it, y'all. The only con was after a few wears, towards the end, it started to bunch and get a little tangly, but it was cool because I cut the tangles out, or I used a little bit of wig spray and got that right on out. But aside from that, the wig was popping. It was the bomb and then some. So that is not a shocker. It's really not. Like, Sensational Butter Lace Unit 3, definitely a hitter. And it's crazy that a lot of butter units came up in this lineup, because it's not crazy. Like, the butters are popping. The butters are popping. The butters are popcorn, but we ain't talking about popcorn. All right, y'all. So that is it for this lineup. So this is the top 10 wigs, based on you guys' choices, based on the viewers, not my choices, but they were some good picks. So I was really shocked at some of them. I was like, no, not made it here, you know. But I think I should do my own top. But listen, if you enjoy videos like this, I actually have 3 more videos like this. I made a series where I personally rated all of the bobs I've done on my channel, different categories based on like classic bobs and bold colored bobs and all of that type of stuff. And it consists of 3 videos. So if you want to see all the bobs that I've reviewed on the channel, especially because it's getting hot and you probably want something a little shorter, definitely check that playlist out. I will link it in the description box so you can hit it up and see if there's some other units that you might want to check out, girl. But do keep in mind again that all these wigs are listed on my Amazon storefront, so you can definitely hit the direct links from my description box, or you can definitely hit the link to my Amazon storefront, which is also in the description box, and go to the My Wigs list and look at all of the wigs that I have listed there and try it out, because I got options. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, and I will see y'all in another video later. Bye.
이런 내가 나도 답답해 다가가는 게 정답